In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your audio and get rid of unwanted background noise in under 5 minutes. So when you open your video, the first thing you want to do is click on the audio tab at the very top of the screen. Come up here, click on the little arrow and get to this screen. Click on the tab, drop down menu, come to your amplitude and compression and hit your hard limiter. Double click on it to open it up. It's default to -0.1. That's fine. I bump mine to 0.7. This is the way I've just always done it. Sometimes I speak louder on some parts of my video than I do others, so I get peaks. That's what I do. But the -0.1 is fine. You just want to set it. Next, come back up to the same thing. Come to your amplitude compression. Come down to your multi-band compressor. Now you want to, once you open this, you want to make sure and play your video so you can hear the difference. So start playing your video in the background. Most of you, you're going to need to bump your gain right here up a tad. Your goal is to keep this around 0 without going over. Your hard limiter is going to stop you from going over, but you want to get your volume as close to 0 as possible. And what you want to do is come up here to default, click on broadcast, come down to attack, change it to 1, which is the minimum. Take the release down to 250. And if you're playing your video, you're hearing the difference in the background of what this is doing. And if something sounds better to you, then do it, that's fine. This is just the way that I've been doing it for a while, and I've picked up from different people. So once you get that set, just close it. Then this is the best trick ever. So this is how to get rid of some your background noise. A lot of my videos are inside. You can hear the AC or a fan. So I make sure I always have a little spot where I'm gonna have silence. And if you're shooting video, just give yourself a couple seconds where you don't talk. So come down to your video, your audio, right click on it, and you want to open it in Adobe Audition. Go to where you have your silence, and the bigger area the better, and you can just scroll, make it bigger, and you want to basically highlight that area, right click on it, capture noise point. And once you do that, you want to hit Command or Control A to select all, and you want to come up here to your top and you want to find your effects tab. You're going to come down here to noise reduction, and you're going to noise reduction process. Click on that, and you can come here and be playing your video so you can hear the difference. I'm not going to play mine because it'll mess the video up, but you can be playing yours. You don't need to touch anything over here. Actually, let me show you this. So here's your other screen. You don't need to touch anything. Just leave everything default. It's fine. So all you do is hit apply, and you're going to be able to tell a big difference. Then what I do is make sure I've got Control A, so I've got everything selected. It's Control S. Should do it automatically too, I think, but I always hit Control S or Command S just to save it. And you can close it out, and it's going to replace that, and your new video will have your noise reduction. See, very simple. Appreciate it. Make sure and like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.